Can your current model nippers do this? I mean, seriously? This cuts like butter. Here we are, we're unboxing these model nippers. Now, we were gifted these to try out. We have played around with them, we have used them, and here is everything that you're gonna get inside the box. These have a really solid feel in your hand. The non-slip grip makes them easy to control even when you're working on really detailed pieces. They're lightweight, but these are not flimsy. Now, the biggest thing, these are sharp, you guys, like super sharp. You can tell immediately they're designed for precision work. So you do want to be a little more careful when handling with them. I tested them out trimming plastic pieces off of a model sprue and they cut through clean. Like no tearing, no stress marks, and barely any effort needed. What impressed me though is how easy it was to get into the smallest areas. These have got the ultra thin single blade, so that lets you get really close to the piece without damaging it, which is huge if you're working on detailed models. Even on the tiniest parts, it's gonna give a smooth, precise cut without leaving rough edges behind, which means less cleanup afterwards. If you're into model building or anything that requires detailed trimming, these make that process way easier and more precise.